Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Fun Family Farmhouse.
It's race day at the Toy City racetrack, and here come our competing cars. Watch out as our car transporter backs up. Here comes our yellow car, our green car, and our orange car. Bye, car transporter. We have 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars today. Oh no, here comes that reckless build and play race car. He wants to race too. Don't go too fast on this track, you might get hurt. Oh no, there he goes, and he's going way too fast. Oh no, watch out! Oh no, looks like there's been an accident. The build and play race car is in pieces. We'll have to call the Paw Patrol and Ultimate Rescue Marshall for help. Oh dear, I hope he's okay. I'm fired up. Here comes Marshall. I'm ready for a rough rescue. Chase is on the case. Let's take to the sky. Let's dive in. Paw Patrol ready for action. Okay, Marshall, you're our medic, pup. What are we looking at here? We have a toy race car that crashed. He's gonna be okay, but we're gonna have to put him back together. Okay, let's take him to the lookout for repairs. Good idea. Let's call the Dino Patroller. It has extra cargo space. We're here. Green means go. We need to load up this race car and get him back to the lookout. Rocky, can you handle the repairs? No problem, Marshall. Let's get him loaded into the Dino Patroller and back to the lookout, and I'll get him all fixed up. Don't lose it, reuse it. Perfect. Okay, let's get all these parts loaded into the Dino Patroller. Back at the lookout. Here we have our build and play race car we need to put together. Here's its red chassis. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 blue tires, a yellow spoiler, 2 red bumpers, a windshield, a purple engine, the green body, and of course a bunch of screws, yellow ones and 1 red one. Okay, let's get to work. First we need to put on our windshield. Okay, next we have our engine. I think it fits right here, yep. And now our green body for the race car. Fits right down like this. Should snap on. Yeah, great. Okay, next we'll put on the yellow spoiler. The spoiler makes her look super fast. Looks super cool. Okay, what's next? Right, the bumpers. Okay, this looks like the front one, and this looks like the back one. Perfect. Okay, let's put the screws in. Okay, time for the tires. First, the large back tire, and now the smaller front tire. Looking good. Okay, time for the other side. First, the large back tire, and next, the smaller front tire. Wow, it looks brand new! I'm so glad we were able to put the race car back together. Let's take a look at this sweet ride. Our build and play toy race car is looking great, and it's all thanks to the Paw Patrol. Yay, thanks for coming to the rescue, Paw Patrol. You guys saved the day. I think our toy race car has learned his lesson to slow down, and he's ready to try that racetrack again. Here we have our race car all ready for the racetrack. Yay! And we have the Paw Patrol watching the race from the stands. Yay! 3, 2, 1, go! Yay, he did it! Way to go, race car, and way to go, Paw Patrol. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll check you later.